welcome back. Happy Monday. I hope you all are having an amazing day. So this obviously is just my second video today. I am so excited. This is an absolutely amazing subscription and I am so excited to have the opportunity to unbox it again and share it with you guys. This is the Hey Mamacita subscription box, which is so appropriate considering Mother's Day is right around the corner. This subscription box, if you are looking just for a wonderful way to treat yourself, this box is it for sure. And it also makes a fantastic gift, birthday, anniversary, Mother's Day, you name it. This makes a great gift and I am so excited. I will put the link down below to their Quaitro site if you would like to sign up and all of the information for you. It is just so amazing. So let's dive in and see what we got in the May 2019 box. Gotta find my box cutter. The first time I unboxed this, you guys, it was so amazing. I loved everything. So I am sure I will not be disappointed again. And here it says, treat yourself, and then me time delivered. All right, so let's get it open. Oh, and it even says Happy Mother's Day on the card when we open it. Oh, and then that says Happy Mother's Day. Know that I love you to the moon and back. Oh, I believe this is the curator and maybe her daughter. Awesome. How sweet is that? And then it does list the items here on the back that we have in our box, so we'll reference that when we need to. But it's so pretty and sparkly and pink and just fun. So, peel this back. We've got some squigglies, so we'll move those out of the way. And so this is what I'm seeing when I move squiggly. So it is jam-packed. It's actually quite heavy. So I can't wait to see what all is in here. I see one thing on top that I know I love. And this is the EOS. This is one of their hand lotions. These are great for sticking in your purse. And I love EOS. This is the EOS hand lotion. Treat your hands to deep, ultra smoothing moisture with a perfectly portable, natural shea butter hand lotion. And that is so true. Like I said, I've had these before and they're amazing. Let's see. So we'll see. Oh gosh, that smells so good. Oh, I love it. I love it. That just smells so amazing. All right. So then, what are you? It's in a little bag here. And this Rare Essence Aromatherapy Room Mist. Oh, and this is Love, 100% essential oils of Rose Absolute, Palmarosa, and Lang Lang. And it's 600 plus sprays. I love room sprays. All right, so let's see. Oh, that's a good mist. Oh, that actually smells really good. I really like that. I was actually kind of wondering because rose, sometimes the artificial rose scent I really don't care for. But I guess blended with the Palmarosa and the Lang Lang, it just smells fabulous. Ooh, yay. All right. Let me see what it says here on the card. Rare Essence Aromatherapy Mist. Enhance your home with the inviting aromatherapy Love Passion Home Fragrance Collection by Rare Essence, crafted of pure essential oils. Yay! All right, and then, whoa, this is big. It's probably part of what's making this so heavy. This is from C. Booth. It's got glitter on it. gold glitter. Simple, authentic, and trusted. All over sea salt scrub. Ooh. So there is that. And then there you have that. Sea Booth Body Scrub reveals soft, glowing skin with Sea Booth's rose sugar or sea salt body scrub that delicately polishes and uplifts the senses. Gently slough away rough skin to reveal a healthy glow. I wonder if it has a safety seal. It does. It's got a safety seal, so I'm not going to open it right yet because I still have the body scrub from the Spring Fab Fit Fun, that Manicadar. That's amazing. I am almost out, so yay for that one. And then let's see. We have, y'all. Yes. Oh my goodness. Yes. All right. We have a swig. Oh my gosh, I love these. This is a stemless cup. It does keep items cold for up to 9 hours, hot up to 3, and it is in a beautiful baby pink. It does have the lid. Awesome. Oh yes. This will get used for sure. And this is great. I love these, especially because during the summer, because it does keep items cold for up to 9 hours, and it really does. How beautiful is that? This is great to like put sweet tea or wine or something and go sit and lay out by the pool. This is amazing. Love it. Swig Stemless Tumbler. Take a swig in style with the popular 12-ounce insulated stemless wine cup. Swig vacuum insulated technology keeps cold drinks cold and hot drinks hot. And yes, it does. So that is so fantastic to be in here. I am so excited. Yay! All right, and then the card says a wild card, a lovely bonus for every Mamacita. So I do see, actually, wait, I think I missed a product. I did. Whoops. This is from Andalou Natural Skincare. Andalou Naturals. Brightening skincare is formulated with fruit stem cell science plus vitamin C. Reveal your natural glow and powerful ingredients that illuminate a healthy complexion. Pumpkin honey. Ooh. Glycolic mask says, okay, to use. Apply evenly to clean, dry, or damp skin. Leave for 20 minutes and then rinse with cool water. Awesome. Let's see. I can kind of smell, I guess. A little bit, maybe. Awesome. So yay. All right. So now the bonus product. I was like, I thought I missed something. Oh, yes, ma'am. I don't know if I've seen something like this. This is from Victoria's Secret, or Pink. It is a coconut oil moisturizing body mousse. You see this, guys? Pretty sure you have to shake. Moisturizing body mousse, the best kind of foam. Oh. This fluffy mousse with coconut oil insta-melts into a skin-loving moisturizing body oil. Shoot a golf ball sized amount into your hand, smoothing into skin for super soft feels. Oh my goodness. Awesome. Okay. I know normally, it doesn't say to shake, but normally I know with like mousses you're supposed to. So let's give it a... I'm going to show you guys, because anytime I spray a mousse or something, there's always like a... Psh, that happens. Oh, it's pink. which I guess is appropriate because it's pink. Oh my goodness. That smells so, ooh, and a little goes a long way. Oh my goodness. This feels fantastic. Y'all. And it almost has like this cooling, refreshing feel. Oh my gosh. And it is so soft. Oh my goodness. Why did I not know about this product? Oh, I'm so glad I do now, though. This is fan. Oh, and I love that. It is kind of a coconut smell, but it's very light and like fresh and just, oh my gosh, I can't stop rubbing my skin because it feels so amazing. And it like soaked into my skin and made it so soft. I love this. Oh my goodness. Okay. So if you want to treat mom or yourself or a girlfriend, whatever, it is absolutely amazing. I mean, we got the wonderful, super moisturizing, super smell good pink coconut oil body mousse, which is fantastic. We got the EOS to keep in our purse so we can stay smooth on the go. The Andalou face mask, or moisturizing mask, which is awesome. This room spray that smells amazing. The sea salt scrub, which is fantastic, and this is 8 ounces, so this is gonna last forever. And then this beautiful Swig stemless wine tumbler, which I will definitely be putting to good use at the pool this summer. So yay! This was another amazing box from Hey Mamacita. Like I said, if you guys have not checked the subscription out, definitely do. Like I said, the link and everything will be down below. Go head over, check them out. Pick one up for yourself, pick one up for, like I said, your mom, a girlfriend, whatever the case may be, just pick one up because it's amazing. I love this so much. You will not be disappointed. So, don't forget about our 2,000 subscriber giveaway. It does not end until the 15th. I do hope everyone has a fantastic rest of your Monday, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.